About 4.6 billion years ago, long before oceans, mountains, or life itself, the universe was a vastly different place. There was no Earth, no sun, only a cold, dark cloud of gas and dust drifting silently through space. From this cosmic chaos, our home would eventually be born. This is the story of how planet Earth was formed. The birth of the solar system. The story of Earth begins with the death of a star. A massive stellar explosion known as a supernova sent shock waves through space. These waves compressed a giant cloud of gas and dust called a solar nebula. Under the force of gravity, this cloud began to collapse in on itself. As it spun faster and faster, most of the material gathered at the center, forming what would become our sun. The remaining material flattened into a rotating disk around it. Inside this disk, tiny particles of dust collided and stuck together. Over millions of years, these particles grew larger, forming rocks, then boulders, and eventually massive objects called planetesimals. The violent birth of Earth. About 4.54 billion years ago, one of these planetesimals began to dominate its orbit. Through countless collisions, it grew larger and more massive. This growing body would become Earth. But Earth's birth was anything but peaceful. The young planet was constantly bombarded by asteroids and protoplanets. Each impact released enormous amounts of heat, melting the surface and turning Earth into a glowing ocean of molten rock. This period is known as the Hadean Eon, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. Earth truly was a hellish world, scorching hot, unstable, and hostile. The formation of the moon. One of the most dramatic events in Earth's history occurred around 4.5 billion years ago. A Mars-sized protoplanet, often called Theia, collided with the early Earth. The impact was cataclysmic. Vast amounts of debris were blasted into space, forming a ring around the planet. Over time, this debris came together under gravity, forming the moon. The formation of the moon played a crucial role in shaping Earth's future. It stabilized Earth's axial tilt, controlled ocean tides, and helped regulate the planet's climate, conditions essential for life. Earth begins to cool.
As time passed, Earth slowly began to cool. Heavy elements like iron and nickel sank toward the center, forming the planet's core. Lighter materials rose to the surface, creating the mantle and crust. This process, known as planetary differentiation, gave Earth its layered structure. Volcanoes erupted constantly, releasing gases trapped inside the planet. These gases, mostly water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, formed Earth's first atmosphere. However, this early atmosphere was toxic and completely unbreathable. The arrival of water. One of the greatest mysteries of Earth's formation is how it acquired water. Scientists believe water came from two main sources: volcanic outgassing from Earth's interior, icy asteroids and comets that bombarded the planet. As Earth cooled, water vapor condensed and fell as rain. For millions of years, rain poured continuously onto the surface. Eventually, the first oceans were formed. These ancient oceans transformed Earth from a molten world into a blue planet, one capable of supporting life. A shield against destruction. Earth was not alone in the early solar system. Asteroids and cosmic radiation were constant threats. Fortunately, Earth developed powerful defenses. The planet's molten iron core generated a magnetic field, shielding Earth from deadly solar winds. Without this magnetic shield, Earth might have lost its atmosphere, just as Mars did. This invisible force protected the planet and allowed it to remain stable over billions of years. The first stable crust. As Earth continued to cool, solid rock began forming on the surface. The first continents were small and unstable, constantly reshaped by volcanic activity. Over time, these land masses grew larger and more stable. Plate tectonics began to shape the planet, moving continents, creating mountains, and recycling Earth's crust. This dynamic system helped regulate carbon dioxide levels and stabilize the planet's climate. The dawn of life. Around 3.8 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. Within Earth's oceans, complex chemical reactions gave rise to the first simple life forms. These microscopic organisms thrived in the harsh environment, using chemical energy to survive. Over billions of years, life evolved, slowly transforming Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and surface. The planet and life became deeply connected, shaping each other in an ongoing dance of evolution. Earth becomes a living planet.
As life spread, Earth changed dramatically. Oxygen-producing organisms transformed the atmosphere, paving the way for complex life. Ice ages came and went. Continents collided and separated. Mass extinctions reshaped the course of evolution. Through it all, Earth remained alive, geologically active, constantly changing, and uniquely capable of supporting life. Our cosmic home. Earth is not just a planet. It is the result of billions of years of cosmic accidents, violent collisions, and delicate balances. From a cloud of dust to a living world, Earth's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. In the vastness of the universe, Earth remains our only known home, a fragile oasis in an endless sea of stars. The story of Earth's formation is not just a tale of the past. It is a reminder of how rare, precious, and remarkable our planet truly is.